Top 5 Best Hand Fish Finder. Number 5. Deeper Chirp Smart Sonar. If you're looking for a portable fish finder with Chirp capability, then we recommend checking out this Deeper Smart Sonar unit. It's one of the more expensive portable fish finders, but it does also offer more advanced sonar capabilities. This is one of the best portable fish finders for shore fishing, as it weighs just 3.2 ounces, which makes it easy to cast it out with a fishing rod and carry it around. It's also very compact with a size that is smaller than a tennis ball. Moreover, the device connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi, so you don't have to bring an additional display for viewing the sonar. The fish finder generates its own Wi-Fi signal, which makes the connection to your smartphone faster and more reliable. This results in a seamless display of sonar data on the screen. This Wi-Fi fish finder also excels when it comes to sonar capabilities. It uses 3 frequencies that produce 3 beams with 47, 16, and 7 degree angles. And instead of sending just one frequency at a time, it sends a continuous flow of frequencies. As a result, you get extremely detailed and crisp visuals, making it easy to pinpoint target species and identify other submerged objects. The advantage of using 3 beams is that you can start with the wide beam in order to get sonar information for a larger area. Then, you can use the 16-degree beam to get a more detailed image of a hotspot that you have located in the wide-angle beam. And finally, you can use the narrow-angle beam to drill in on the spot even further and get the most detailed view possible. Due to the use of Chirp sonar, this mobile phone fish finder can provide accurate sonar readings in both shallow and deep waters. It can locate fish that is as close as 6 inches away and as deep as 330 feet deep. This means that you can target fish that is at the water's surface or hugging the bottom. It's also a rechargeable fish finder that comes equipped with an internal lithium polymer battery. On a single charge, it can run for up to 6 hours. It also features fast charging technology that provides a 100% charge in just 75 minutes. Pros displays sonar in a user-friendly free app, fast data transfer using Wi-Fi. 3-beam Chirp sonar. 0.4-inch target separation. Scanning depth ranges from 6 inches to 330 feet. Offers bathymetric mapping. Fast charging technology. 5-year warranty. Cons. No water temperature reading. Coming in number 4. HawkEye Fishtrax 1C. Another great handheld fish finder that is good for seeing depth, fish, and structure is the HawkEye Fishtrax 1C. It packs plenty of features in a portable and lightweight unit. It features a good quality display with full color and high definition. And if you want a cheaper version, the same model is also available with a grayscale display. The screen is big enough for easy viewing and the graphics are crisp and clear, even in direct sunlight. It's also equipped with powerful backlighting that can be adjusted for easier viewing during both day and night. Moreover, the fish finder's menu is easy to operate and understand. And the sonar icons on the screen are easy to identify. It's a dual-frequency fish finder that uses 83 kHz and 200 kHz. It sends conical beams that have 14 and 26 degree angles. One works better in deeper waters and the other in shallower waters. You can get sonar readings in waters as shallow as 1.5 feet and as deep as 240 feet. In addition to the fish finder mode, this unit also offers a digital flasher mode. In this mode, the screen will display a flasher that will show you sonar returns on a circular scale. This will enable you to target fish while ice fishing. This handheld sonar fish finder also offers adjustability for getting the clearest sonar readings on the screen. You can adjust sensitivity and also filter clutter and noise. This will provide a clean screen with the unwanted readings removed. Pros: compact design, backlighting, dual frequency sonar. Maximum depth reading is 240 feet. Includes flasher mode. Audible fish alarm. Adjustable sensitivity. IPX7 waterproof. Reasonable price. Cons: uses 4 AAA batteries instead of rechargeable ones. Coming in number 3. Humminbird Piranhamax 4PT. The Humminbird Piranhamax 4PT is also one of the best portable sonar fish finders this year. It's a simple fish finder that offers an easy-to-use interface and the most useful features. Its 4.3-inch display offers high pixel resolution in a 256 color range. This provides nicer graphics that make it easier to differentiate objects that are displayed with the sonar returns. Moreover, for even better readability, there's LED backlighting so you'll be able to read the screen even in direct sunlight. This portable fish finder features dual beam sonar, which operates at 200 kHz and 455 kHz frequencies. The 200 kHz frequency uses a wide 28-degree beam angle, which can reach depths up to 300 feet. And the 455 kHz frequency uses a narrower 16-degree beam angle, which provides less coverage but can reach deeper up to 600 feet. There are also a few other useful sonar functions, which are also present in most of the portable fish finders in this list. It includes a fish ID function that replaces fish arches with small fish icons. It also offers the bottom view function, which focuses the sonar onto the bottom. And this device also features 3 alarms. You can set the alarm to notify you when the unit detects certain fish, certain depth, or when the battery drops below a certain point. The included transducer comes with a suction cup, which is perfect for mounting it on a kayak. However, this type of mounting doesn't hold well when the boat is moving at high speeds. It performs the best when it's trolling with a speed that is a maximum 6 miles per hour. This portable bundle also includes a soft-sided carrying case, a 7 amp-hour battery and a wall charger. The fish finder is very easy to set up and it comes with comprehensive instructions in the manual. Pros: 4.3-inch display. Nice color graphics. Dual beam sonar. Maximum depth capability 600 feet. Dish ID fish, depth, and battery alarms. Long battery life. Portable carrying case. 1-year warranty. Cons: no GPS. Coming in number 2. Deeper Pro Plus Smart Sonar. If you're looking for the best castable fish finder, then our top recommendation is the Deeper Pro Plus. It's a versatile unit that is suitable for all types of fishing, including fishing from a boat or kayak, shore, and ice fishing. This castable fish finder comes with features akin to the models from Garmin, Humminbird, and Lowrance, but it costs less and it doesn't require any installation. The Deeper Pro Plus is so small that it can fit in your pocket, which makes it truly portable. Moreover, there's no display unit, so all you need to carry is the small sonar unit. The device uses a Wi-Fi connection to pair with your smartphone or tablet. This means that you can use this fish finder anywhere you want, even if there's no cell service in the area. On top of that, pairing the devices through Wi-Fi provides faster and more reliable data transfer and a greater connection range. You can cast it as far as 330 feet and it can scan down as far as 260 feet. Once you've connected this castable fish finder to your smartphone, you'll be able to operate the device through a free app. There you'll find sonar features, fish notes, maps, weather forecasts, and more. The smartphone fish finder supports dual beam sonar with 90 kHz and 290 kHz frequencies. The 2 scanning cones have a 15 and 55 degree angles, so you can choose to view either greater detail or a bigger picture. It also makes it perfect for both shallow and deep water fishing. This sonar device can also be used as an ice fishing flasher, providing you with a view of the water column beneath your hull. And you can view the traditional sonar and flasher simultaneously in split screen. One more useful feature is the built-in GPS system that offers you a lot to play with. In addition to providing lake maps, it also allows you to create bathymetric maps. As you reel in the unit from shore or troll it behind your kayak, it maps the bottom contours of the lake. This feature allows you to create detailed maps of hotspots, so if you return to these spots again, you'll know where the fish will be hiding. The fish finder can be used as either a castable or trolling unit. For casting, it includes attachment bolts that you thread into in order to attach a fishing line. Alternatively, you can purchase an extension arm for mounting it on a kayak or canoe. Or if you're ice fishing, you can just drop the sonar unit into the drilled hole. Pros: versatile. Connects with smart devices. 260 feet scanning depth capability. Dual beam sonar. Adjustable sensitivity. Ice fishing flasher. Fast data transfer through a Wi-Fi connection. Compact and lightweight. Built-in GPS. Bathymetric mapping. The battery lasts 4 hours of continuous use. Cons: not as accurate when fishing through ice thicker than 8 inches. Connectivity issues in rough waters. Coming in number 1. Garmin Striker 4 with portable kit. Garmin is one of the best brands when it comes to GPS systems and sonar units. and one of their top-rated portable fish finders is the Garmin Striker 4. It comes with a portable kit, which makes it a perfect option for kayak, canoe, and ice fishing. The unit's display measures 3.5 inches in diagonal. This offers enough screen space to read the sonar information, to use the waypoint system and to view both sonar beams in split screen. It's also a color display with a high pixel matrix, providing clear sonar images. Moreover, it features LED backlighting, so you can adjust it to get better visibility in direct sunlight. When it comes to sonar, this portable fish finder supports both dual frequency and chirp. The Chirp sonar supports two modes with 77 kHz and 200 kHz frequencies. You can modulate the pulse in order to get better target separation and clearer images. The dual frequency mode allows you to view the sonar returns in split screen with a narrow cone on one side and the wide cone on the other. And the two conical beams have a coverage of 15 and 45 degree angles. The included transducer can scan depths down to 1,600 feet in freshwater and 750 feet in saltwater. It can maintain sonar readings at speeds as high as 30 miles per hour. However, it performs better at slower speeds, providing the clearest images at speeds less than 6 miles per hour. In addition to the traditional sonar, this unit also offers the flasher screen, which is excellent for ice fishing. This makes it a versatile fish finder that is suitable for both ice and non-ice fishing applications. It might not be as good as a dedicated flasher, but it offers amazing performance for such a small unit that integrates both traditional and flasher sonar in one. Another handy feature of this portable sonar fish finder is the waypoint mode. It features a GPS receiver, so you can locate your position anywhere you go on the lake. However, it doesn't have any charts and you can't upload them. It offers only basic navigation, and this mode's main purpose is to mark waypoints that you'd like to revisit. This fish finder bundle also comes with everything you'll need for its portable use. It includes a transducer with a suction cup mount, a 7 Ah battery, a battery charger, and a bag that stores all these accessories. Pros: 3.5-inch display, chirp and dual beam sonar, flasher mode, Fish ID auto gain technology, GPS receiver, waypoint map, good battery life, easy to carry. Cons: very limited instructions that come with the unit. However, there are plenty of YouTube videos to help out.